Hi, welcome back to Formula. If you currently run an online store and customer requests are coming in through emails, Instagram DMs, or WhatsApp, this video will save you weeks and hours of your time. Today, I will show you how to automate customer requests using Google Forms so nothing gets missed, and you can also click this link on all your socials for easy access for your customers as well. Let's get into the video. First, you want to navigate to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Click on Form Mailer. Search for Form Mailer email notification. Click on Form Mailer and press install. I have this linked in the description, or you can watch a step-by-step tutorial video as well. Next, you want to go to your Google Forms. For this video, I already have a made form. You can decide to create one as well. So I'm just going to click on my form. Next, you want to insert essential fields that your clients or customers will receive, and also your team will receive as well. Next, you want to click on add-ons. Click on Form Mailer. Your Form Mailer is automatically linked to the email you used in your installation process. Click on Manage Email Notifications. In your Form Mailer, you want to set up a sender's name. So this is the name your clients typically know you by, and your team as well. So you could set this up with what you're being currently identified by, so when they receive the emails, they are easily notified that this is coming from your company or your brand. Next, we're going to create 2 emails. You want to go to the email template. First, click on respondent mail. This is what your clients receive immediately after submitting the form. Here, you'll be able to set up your form and add in essential fields that you want to collect from this form. All you have to do is click on Insert Field from Form, select one of the fields you would love to insert from your form. You can as well edit this email to represent what your company might be working with by changing the font, size, color, whatever you might need, in certain links as well. Click Save Changes. Next is your recipient mail. This is what your internal team receives. This could be your customer service team or a general service team as well. Same process. You want to install or include everything that they will be needing to go ahead with any requests being requested from the team or being asked for from the team. Save changes. Now you want to go to the recipient's detail. So these are your service team that would be receiving the email. Example, and you can include as many as you would like. And simply press enter. Now save changes. And that's it. Your form mailer is all set up and ready to go. Next, we're going to test our form. Let's input some details. Click on the type of request. Let's just say delivery update and submit. Your team will immediately receive a mail notifying them of this new submission and any other thing they might need to carry out from the submission that has been included in the mail. As you can see, we have the sender's name here, Shopify, which is what I used in setting mine up. You should use what is being known by your customers and your team as well, or your clients and your team as well. You can see all the requirements set in my form and has been submitted as well, and my team can go right into fulfilling whatever request is being submitted. Your recipients also receive a mail notifying them of the submission as well, and that is it. You have automated Google Forms with Formula, and this will help you save time, notify your team, and in general be a very, very fast workflow tool for your brand, your organization, your company, etc. And that is it. With Formula, you get 10 free emails each month, but to upgrade, all you do is click on add-ons, click on Formula, manage your account, and with $3 per month, you get 15,000 emails monthly, 24 hours support, and $30 per year, you get 15,000 emails monthly, 16% discount, and 24 hours support. And that is it. You have set up your Google Forms for automation emails using Formula. For further tutorial, I need you to like, subscribe, put your team on to Formula, and let me know what you would love to see next. Thank you.